Dear viewers, welcome to Radhvej Finance, and in this IPO, the Shriram Properties IPO, basically we have given discount offer, and it has become so true because this share has doesn't fall below that price, at least yesterday and today also. So that's the reason we are achieving discount offer which GMP we have given to you. So Fridivage Finance presenting achieving discount GMP prediction and the new share target for Shriram Properties Limited, which will be valid till February 2022. So dear investors and viewers, have a look around that. GMP prediction for Shriram Properties, if you see, we can give here discount of around INR 90 rupees, where we are expecting it can show the positive also. Means it can gives you on the day of listing INR, it can touch up to 130 max. Minimum INR, or if it is go maximum 150 also, it can touch up to that. So we can have a look around that. Dear viewers, if you see, Shriram Properties has exactly given discount of for 90 rupees INR on the day of listing. So if you see, the minimum 52-week low is 90 rupees, and that's the reason we are uploading this video into the market to know our start nowadays also offering perfect discount offer. Yeah, in case of Paytm we have predicted, but Paytm has falls down 500 rupees on the day of listing, so we can't say yes we given the perfection. But in case of Shriram Property, this IPO has doesn't fall below 90 rupees. So anyways, Shriram Properties into the from the market of real estate, so we are expecting this company will gives you good returns, but you have to consider this company for as a long term player rather than the looking for a short term advantage or short term growth of your money. So you should look Shriram Property as a long term prospective share rather than looking for a short term. So Vridhvej Finance is predicting new share target for Shriram Properties, which will be valid till February 2022, till end of the February. So here in this case we are expecting, suppose this share get falls down, it can touch up to 80 rupees, and suppose this share goes up, it can touch up to 140 plus. So we are hoping this our predictions achieved by us, and we will share the new target for you. So wait and watch guys. Shriram Properties show what exactly consistency in their share, and how it will show, either it will work on a flat trend, or it will show you uptrend, or it will goes downtrend. So wait and watch. Thank you by Vridhvej Finance. And yes, dear investors and viewers, we are completing 1 year on our YouTube channel, so you have a look around our report card, which is available into our video listing, and that's the reason we are expecting these companies. Probably we will expand our verticals and content too, so you can subscribe for to know further information. And yes, absolutely, we will start working on how to improve the quality of video rather than just having a look around a particular about us of company. Rather than that, we will give you financial growth of the companies from 2022 onwards in each IPO detail. Dear investors and viewers, Yeah, in 2020 we have find a lot of harder to recording the videos, but absolutely we will give it to you good amount of videos very soonly, and there will be part 1 and part 2 will be available, because at a time we are unable to gives you single video with a full of content. So that's the reason we will also work like other financial YouTubers, because it is not easy to gain and record a single video with a large amount of details. And yes, many times we missed out, many times we don't wanted to include it, because everybody talk about the financial terms of the company. But trust me, business always go up and down. It doesn't consistent will be, it doesn't stabilize at a particular, every day is not the same. So similarly every year is not the same. But you have, suppose every day is not same, but in a day you got a 24 hours, so you can work out on 24 hours. And if you see, every year having 365 days at least, so in that case you can work for 365 days. But sometimes your bad luck or your decisions comes not meet your target, so that moment your company has failed to deliver it, and we have a faith in company that company may fail and they can boost up into the next year too, or they can improve it, they can do the merger, they can do the acquisition, they can do a lot of things, they can find maybe bankrupt too. So that's the reason we were not included financial balance sheets of any company in our any one of the IPO. Even hardly one IPO we have included little amount of their financial conditions, but we believe it the company may do well to know to themselves, to the market, to gain the business. So that is their efforts. So that's the reason in 2020 we have not included the balance sheet of any company, but probably on 2022 onwards we will start including the financial terms, including the balance sheet detail and what are their ratios, what exactly they did it into the market. So we will start that, but it will take some time around that, because we are not only concentrating on domestic market, but we are going to give a projection towards the international market like Nasdaq, and we will start some others also. So wait and watch what charm we will deliver you in 2022. Probably we will start a step by step, means first quarter maybe we will start the IPOs from the Nasdaq, and that is because we seen the lots of things are coming to us from the international market as on demands, and that's the reason we are going to deliver it. Yes, our budget special series we will deliver to you on the February on the Jan of 2022. So in the month of Jan, we will gives you budget, the series of budget before the budget get released to the market. Our overview and analysis, like last year, we have given some sort of analysis about the budget, and that has been concentrated by the government of India. And those video which we have delivered it probably on this third or second week of the Jan 2021, and it has been concentrated by the government of India, and those policies has been implemented into the budget even. So we will have some sort of a surprises for you. Wait and watch. If you want further information, subscribe our channel. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.